In this video I will show you how you can buy domain and hosting using EasyPaisa and JazzCash. So for that you have to first of all go to this host and then click on this first link. Now here you can see there is an option of login. You can write your email and password, create new account, or you can just go to sign in with Google. I will go to sign in with Google, and then you have to just click on verification and then go to your Gmail to verify. Here you can see verify your email address, click on it and your account will be verified. Click on continue to client area, and then you have to go to view cart. Then here you have to click on start shopping. Now there are three plans. I will go for the cheaper one, and then you have to choose domain name for your website. I will go online as it is the cheapest one. It's $2 for entire year, so you can have a domain for just $2 for year. Then you click on checkout. There are a lot of payment method. You have to choose EasyPaisa and JazzCash. Now you have two numbers here for EasyPaisa and for JazzCash. You have to transfer $8 manually, and I will provide the WhatsApp number in description. You just have to send the screenshot of your transaction of EasyPaisa or JazzCash, and then you have to tell the account name, domain name, etc. to them, and then your hosting will be available. Once your domain and hosting is activated, you can upload all the files for your website, and then your website will be live. So that's for the video. Thank you.